everyone, welcome to Bantim J. Arise Facebook page. See you again. Today we continue to learn lesson 34 that talk about washing the disciples' feet. Okay, let's get started. Iron. I always iron my husband's clothes. I always iron my husband's clothes. Iron. Vacuum. I use a vacuum to clean cabinets. I use a vacuum to clean cabinets. Vacuum. Rug. Rug is a thick piece of clothes on the floor. Rug is a thick piece of clothes on the floor. Rug. Pull weeds. My father goes to the farm to pull weeds from the garden. My father goes to the farm to pull weeds from the garden. Pull weeds. Okay, everyone, please repeat after me one more time. Iron. Vacuum. Rug. Pull weeds. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you understand and you can make the sentence by using the words that we learned together. If you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link below. See you next time. God bless you. Bye-bye.